morning when you wake up, it's important that you have a very clear mind and that you're open to all the opportunities that the new day brings for you. So today I want to share with you my morning routine to making money. It's the morning routine I'm following every single day because I want to be successful. I'm running away from poverty. So every day I must be on alert. Every day I need to feed my mind with the right things. So what exactly do I do every morning? When I wake up every morning, because I'm telling you, I wake up very early by 5 a.m. When I wake up by 5 a.m., I try to make sure that I do my morning prayers and stuff like that. But by 6, as soon as it's 6 a.m., I'm outside jogging. I'm outside, of course, running and then doing exercises. You don't need to go to the gym to be fit. You don't need to go to the gym to do all these things. The reason why I do this thing by 6 a.m. is because I want to activate my mind. My mind needs to know that, look, you are on a mission. I am an agent on a mission. I know where I'm going to. I know where I'm coming from. I know what I want out of life. So I'm asking you, what do you want out of life? The most important thing is to know what you want out of life. Because a lot of people, we see it everywhere. Our friends, they don't even know what they want out of life. You might ask them what they say, well, I just want to be free. I just want to be happy. I just want to be this. I just want to be rich or successful. That is not a goal. You need to know exactly where you want to be in life. And that is why if you follow this morning routine I'm sharing with you now, I'm telling you, you are on the right track. So when I go back and then everything, and then when I come back to shower, I go back to my room and then I shower. And then I make my bed. And then I go to have my breakfast and all these things. But then after that, I make sure that I listen to a podcast. I make sure that I listen to someone who is speaking about the things that I want to achieve in my life. The reason why I listen to this podcast instead of listening to music or listening to the radio is because I want to activate my subconscious mind. Everything that you listen to, everything that you watch, everything that you know about is stored in your subconscious mind. And you must try to make sure that you must replace all the negative or bad comments, okay, that has come to your mind growing up with the things that you want to happen in your life. Look, I really believe that anything that you put your mind to it, as long as you are committed, consistent, and dedicated to finding a way of iteration, you continue and you find good success. This is all the truth. This is just the truth. But first, you must embrace this discipline of finding a way to do the simple things. Look, someone made a study. He made, I don't know if it was a guess or a research. He said that the quickest way to know if someone is going to be successful is to find out if they make their bed every single day when they wake up. It could be something as simple as that. So this is just my more early morning routine of me trying to get successful. The reason why I'm following this routine is because I am an agent on a mission. I know exactly what I want out of life. And I know that these simple little habits, they accumulate. And in the right time, I will yield all the results that I want. And I hope that you embrace this habit every day. And I'm going to see you at the top. And I'll see you again.